The Brosas family is a typical household, working parents supporting their 3 young children. Though it didn't take the usual path to paint this picture. 2 of the children are adopted, their second son Blake in 2011 and their only daughter Bianca 3 years later.
Ever since I felt the love of my child, of my second child, I've been an adoption advocate.
While their first adoption went smoothly, it took 4 years before Bianca's adoption was finalized by the court. Worse, they almost lost their daughter due to a technicality.
After spending 4 years with the child, with the girl calling me daddy and me calling her daddy's girl, we were denied due to a technicality, and then we took about 8 months again for a motion for reconsideration to finally be approved.
The experience pushed Brosas to lobby for Republic Act 11642 or the Adoption and Alternative Child Care Act. The measure, signed into law just this year, simplifies the adoption of Filipino children. It also creates the National Authority for Child Care, or NACC, which will handle all adoption cases. Adoptions used to not only go through an administrative process before the Social Welfare Department, but also through judicial proceedings before they are finalized. In many cases, it would take years before an adoption is made final.
Based case scenario natin, since ano na lang talaga siya, administrative na lang yung process niya. So, pag okay lahat ng mga requirements, yung mga papers, and then the assessment conducted by the social workers, 6 to 9 months na lang po ang adoption.
The NACC is now working with stakeholders to come up with the new laws implementing rules and regulations. They want to raise awareness about the streamlined process of legally adopting a child, hoping this would stop illegal adoption practices where Filipino babies are sold for as low as 5,000 pesos.
Magkaroon kami sana ng madaming social workers para makapag-conduct ng assessment and reviews kasi crucial yon para hindi namin ma-defy yung pinakang purpose ng law. That's why we need more adoption social workers to be on the ground to review the cases.
The NACC says it will finalize the IRR by the end of June, though they are already processing adoption applications now. With the new measure, advocates and stakeholders are hopeful more Filipino children will get the family they deserve. AC Nicholls, CNN Philippines.